Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 5. First thing I want you to do is go to GitHub and I want you to search for NeoTrader by this person right here. Go ahead and install this in the MetaTrader terminal. So once you have it installed in your MetaTrader terminal, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click here to download your browser extension, whether it's Firefox or Chrome. Use it on that specific browser, download that one, and then you just open up TradingView, open up any chart, and then you can come to the top, right click on that extension, and here you'll see this. So just click on this gear cog and click on add server in settings, and make sure you add your server. They have details on how to go about that right here, and then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and send your positions using this extension from TradingView to MetaTrader 5. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me.